Suitable for massager fascia gun 8.4 V1A1000 mA charger cable power adapter cable. Product parameters. Input voltage, AC 100240 V50-60 Hz, worldwide. Input AC interface, EU plug US plug. Output voltage, DC, 8.4 V. Output current, 1A. Output voltage accuracy plus or minus 0.5%, no load. Power supply polarity, inside positive outside negative, inside, plus, outside. DC cable length, 1 meter. DC interface, 5.52.5 and 5.52.1 mm. Color, black. Condition, brand new authentic. Wide input range and high voltage accuracy. Applicable, massager fascia gun monitoring security AUD.